Let's move on to the next part, information. There are 4 tabs located at the bottom part of the screen and right next to script list, which are compilation, print, function, data. When user click compile or F7, the relevant messages will appear on compilation tab. If the code compiles successfully, the message will show compilation successful. Conversely, if an error occurs, an error message will be displayed. If an error occurs, the error message will be displayed below. Compilation tab contains 5 columns. Column 1, script name, displays the name of the compiled script. Column 2, script type, shows type of the script like indicator, condition, strategy, quote, function. Column 3, line number, shows which line numbers have any errors during compilation. Column 4, character, shows which character caused the errors. Column 5, message, shows the compilation status message or error if exist. Print tab is located at the bottom of the screen next to compilation tab. Print tab contains 3 columns, which are script information, symbol calculation, and output content. If your strategy has output values or content on the chart operation, it will be displayed here. For example, this code will use the print function to output the entry and exit prices. We must return to the chart, load this strategy, and then we can see the output we want in the output context of the IDE. Script information will show the name of the running script. Symbol calculation will show the current symbol that is being processed by the script. Output content will display the information from the print function. Function tab is located right next to print tab. On this tab, users can find all available functions documentation listed as types. Users can use the function type button to filter for a specific function, or users can type in a keyword into the search box. When users click on a function, it will redirect you to more detailed page, and an example will also be displayed there as reference. Or can press F1 directly on a function in the code. Information window will jump to the function's description page. Now, move on to the last tab. Data tab contains a collection of keywords, and it has been divided into 2 groups, real-time data and historical data. Just like the function tab, users can use keyword search or press F1 to watch. Additionally, the function and data query windows can now be quickly opened from the toolbar, allowing users to more conveniently query functions and data when creating strategies, improving development efficiency. Thank you for watching this video patiently, and I hope you can understand better.